Okay, I am back with Lisa, and we are going to be trying this Lara bar chocolate chip cookie dough. Just real ingredients. It's a non-GMO product, and it looks like 110 calories for the package. You want to open it up for us so we can take a peek?
Sure. So chocolate chip cookie dough.
Kind of like
Let's
the
see what
little
they got in here.
snack bar, breakfasty bar kind of situation.
Mm-hmm. And of course, one bar per serving. It says 6 ingredients. So.
It's not too bad, only 6 ingredients. It's pretty clean.
Cashews, dates, semi-sweet chocolate chips, chocolate, unsweetened chocolate. Okay, that's the chocolate chips. And then apple, sea salt, and vanilla extract. So yeah, very
clean.
Very clean, basic ingredients there, I tell you. Smells good. Smells interesting.
Yeah, it smells good. You can smell the dates.
Yeah, you can see the texture too. Just like it looks like it has dates in it.
Yeah, you want to take first bite?
Let's see. Yeah, you don't want to touch it.
Sticky. Yeah.
No, it's oily.
Oh, oily.
Or yeah, I guess it's oil. Definitely has dates in it. You know, you can tell that by the texture.
The chocolate chips are melted in it.
Is that what it is? Yeah.
So it's real melty.
Oh yeah, that's the oily. Yeah, I got the
Mhm.
chocolate on my fingers now.
Very tasty.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I actually like this one.
Um,
Really rich, and the
Real
dates
rich.
kind of pop through.
very sweet.
Yeah.
Good texture. I would totally get this again.
Yeah, I get that one again. That's a good one. It's,
Yeah.
it's of course it's a little messy. Maybe put it in the fridge before you eat it,
Maybe.
or just make sure you have.
But yeah.
It's good.
This is a good one. If you've ever had one of these before, let me know what you thought of it. If I can find these online, I'll link it below. You want to bite?
No, not yet. No.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's good. I like it. That's a nice one.
Hooray for Lara's bar. Here, we hold this way. Wrap this up.
Yep.
Well, yeah, that's really tasty.
Lars bar. Yeah. Huh.
I would be interested in seeing what other flavors they have. But
Yeah.
so far, I'd say their product has good taste and good texture.
Yeah. That one's good.
And it's very clean. Only 5 ingredients?
6.
6 ingredients, so
6.
can't go wrong with that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.